Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Online Money Goals. So this is another video on how to earn money as a voiceover artist. So I'll be showing you the website now. We'll move on to the video without dragging. Yeah, so this is the website acx.com. This is one of Amazon's website only. So here you will be making here you'll be making audios for the ebook available on Kindle and other versions. So those audiobooks will be released to Audible or iTunes or Amazon, or it will be a combination of both. So here they will recruit you in two ways, either through audition or that you submit, or you just upload some samples in your profile, and if the author likes your voice and the accent you're using, and if it is suitable for their ebook, they will recruit you. And the payment will be in two ways, payment method. So one method is through getting royalty shares. Royalty share is nothing but for each and every sale of that book you will be getting a percentage of the sale. And another one is for completed hour. Completed hour is nothing but for every hour, like if you are going to do that audio for 1 hour, if your audio is like 1 hour, you will get paid for that 1 hour. So that you can actually understand. Now the steps followed for creating your profile here is, first you have to sign up and now create a profile and upload some samples and start doing auditions. Choose the payment method you want. Choose the ebooks actually according to your payment method. That is how I have to say. Then start with your audition, get reviews, do a great job. Then that's it. It's just simple. Just we'll start off with creating an account. If you already have Amazon account, you can use that, or if you don't have it, create one. And this is really easy, but you have to, as I have already told you guys, it's really important to stay consistent. Do a great job, do a lot of auditions. Don't wait for authors to come and contact you with the samples that you have already uploaded, because that may take a lot of time while you are starting as a fresh newbie. So make sure you upload samples as well as attend a lot of auditions until you get a good amount of reviews and you are a bit you have a returning customers. So that's all about this one. We'll just start off with getting in. I'll just show you how you have to filter and search and what are options there are in the second part of the video. Make sure you stay till the end. Once you have created the account, we'll just start off with the dashboard. So here are some audio submission requirements that I have to tell you guys. They have given a lot, but then I'll just simplify and tell you what is actually required. But then if you want to know more, you can visit the site acx.com and look for the submission requirements for yourself if you want it in a detailed manner, because they have a lot. I'll just simplify it and tell you in short. The first one is like you should have a consistent overall format. That is, your voice should not be like higher and lower, and it should not be fluctuating. It should be consistent overall throughout the voiceover. And then you should include some opening and ending credits, and you should have a retail audio file sample which should be between 1 and 5 minutes long, and then it should be either mono or stereo file. And then each of the uploaded audio file should be it should have at least one chapter. Like you cannot have multiple chapters in one audio file. Each file should have one chapter or a section, and that file whenever it is started, it should have the section heading read aloud. And then the running time should not be more than 120 minutes. And then the audio file should be free of other room noises and other sounds that are like from outside. It should not be it should not have distractive sounds. And then the file should be at least 192 kbps or a higher mp3 file format. And you have other decibels which are required, like the floor noises and other things. You can actually check it out for yourself, because it's there is so much of submission requirements. I cannot be like it's so much. I am not able to read it actually. But the overall content of that submission requirements is this much only. whenever you are uploading, just check it out, because don't make a mistake, then it will not be like considered for paying. The author might reject it, so be sure you check it out before and even after doing a recording, whether it's right, or just cross check it once, and then we'll just move on with the other one. But before we move on with the next one, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. So here is where you will be finding audition files, the books that you have to give voiceovers. We have around 1990, so you can actually filter each and everything, like how your voice is, like what gender you are, like what you expect, and what type of books you can actually, like what genres you can do, and what language you are comfortable with, everything. Like you can filter it out and you will be able to find. I'm just randomly clicking on like what all I can do. I'm just going to check whether how many options that is available for me after filtering out so much of things that I'm able to do. So religion, language, fiction, non-fiction, kids books, arts and entertainment, and there are so many genres, and I'm just sorting out few. And now after filtering out these many things, I have around 856 titles, and I'm just going to click on to English alone. I'm not going to do any French books or Spanish or nothing. We have around 597. That's great. And this is a vocal style, like how my voice is gonna be sounding, like is it going to be so feminine, or is it like animated or whatever. Like just choose one among it. And even now I have a good amount of choice. Now the last one is project length, which is I'm not going to choose. When you are starting, I would just advise you guys that choose any amount of time, because that will be much easier to get a lot of options and books available. Now I'm just going to choose one, and I'll be showing you what all details they'll be giving you and how the audition file is going to be. We'll just download and see. People will be actually giving you a file for like a script, which you have to read it aloud. So yeah, this is what all the details available in that book, and what type of language it is, and what is the author expecting, like a female voice, and it should be adult, the character is adult, and so much more information is there. And this is a small gist about that book. And here you will get that audition script, which you have to read it aloud. By reading it aloud, the author will get to know, and if he is okay with your voice and okay with your vocal style and your accent, if he is fine, and if your voice is gonna match that character, then he will obviously gonna contact you and will be awarding that. Now I'll just download it and show you how that script is going to be. Actually this audition script will not be so much long. Yeah, so here it is. They have given a word file, and which is like 1.5 pages, and it won't take more than 15 minutes or 20 minutes. After you have finished it and uploaded the file according to the audio file submission requirements, the author will be contacting you if you are the right person. If he chooses you, like if you are going to fit perfectly for that character that he is thinking he has done with this book. So now before choosing it, I would actually recommend you looking out for the project payment method, because in this, as far as I know, can you actually see that one? He has actually given you royalty share, so you will be getting paid for every sale. So he'll be sharing his royalties with you. So I think that's a great idea, and this is going to take 1.5 hours to complete the full book. That is what they have mentioned it above. Can you see that one also? The reading length will be around 1.5 hours, and I think that is fine. And that's all about the video, guys. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any doubts, comment it below. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible, and meet you all in the next video. If you have any video recommendations, you can leave it in the comments. I will definitely see to it, and meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.